I love studio tours, so why not make my own? Hi, my name is Rafał, I'm from Poland, and my main goal here is improve my skills with English content creation. So stay with me if you wanna see how things will go in future. Personally, I feel inspired every time I see some kind of studio tours because simply I want to do by myself. So let's start here. My main angle here is probably simply I use one key light, one kicker light and some ambience in the background. Key light is a little bit different because I use LED panel. It's from Godox FS 200 and it's probably overkill here because for this shot it's only on 2% power. Main feature of this light probably is the compactest dimension. Is a very small LED panel. No needed here to use a very large softbox. No extra space. Simply I love it. The kicker light is a really simple light. It's 100 watt. It's harsh light. It's mounted on the ceiling. It's set around 30%. It's a bicolor light. If I remember correctly, it's from Colbor. Next, it's my favorite. It's that projector here. It's a combination of spotlight with some attachment from Godox, of course. It's a superb light. I love it. I love using it on every shoot. Unfortunately, it's only a daylight. It's a 60 watt light and I must use couple of things to achieve that look. For example, by extra projector attachment, additionally by gobos and some color gels. But if I might choose one light, it will be that one. In the background, there are three lights that I use. There is a bigger tube light. It's 125 centimeters from Quadralight. It's RGB. On the other side, I use three lights, three tubes. Two are from Yangnuo. They are probably around 30 centimeters RGB. Old one, but they work fine. Behind the monitors, I use newer one, 60 centimeters. Also RGB. So this is my current setup with lights. Of course, this is not everything. For example, this table is from IKEA and it is shortened kitchen countertop. I use that setup probably around 2 years. The countertop is a bit worn out, so don't be judgy here. It's not looking the fresh, but it gets job done. For now, my main light is sitting on the C-stand from the newer and I use it also for top-down shots. Around here in front of me there are some curtains to soundproof a little bit because main idea on this room was no touching, no mounting, nothing to the wall. So I use my every single tripod to arrange that to improve my sound quality and workspace. Main reason for that approach is simply because this room will be my son room and I need move in the couple of months from that space to other. So I need to prepare, I need to a little bit adjust everything that will work for YouTube creation content. And for now it's okay, but in the future I'm really excited to see how things go on because I need to build my own studio from scratch. Back to the main top-down shot, I forgot to mention that I constantly use external monitor to see everything from the top. It's from Viltrox DC550 Pro, if I remember correctly. I'm currently happy that I decided to split my countertop to two parts and move my working editing station to different place. So I have here talking and working station and there is editing station. And it is really simple. Everything is sitting on the IKEA desk and that desk is used one, so it was really cheap. My main power editing unit, a computer, is Apple Mac Studio M1 Max with 64 gigs of RAM and probably around 1 terabyte SSD hard drive. Additionally, I use for that setup NAS server from QNAP and there is around 50 terabytes of disk space for my videos. My monitors are two one from LG 27 4K IPS panels. They are really cheap. It's a budget option. I must calibrate it additionally for improved color accuracy because they are just office monitors. Sound monitors, they are also cheap option. They are MIDI Plus audio or something like that. I don't recommend it because they are a little bit noisy with the sound. There is always constant same level of noise from Bluetooth module, and Bluetooth module can't be turned off. So this is my complaint for them. Otherwise, they are okay with the sound. The green plants from the background and foreground, there are artificial plants from IKEA. Feka, they are called. Yes, I really like stuff from IKEA. For sound here, I use Shure SM7B, the table tripod for mics from Rode, and everything is connected to my Rode Streamer X. For now, I'm planning to switch for Rode Podcaster Duo or even higher model. Last but not least, I kept the rest of my studio stuff in the closet and the drawers that I have to. My organization there need be a little bit improved, but for now it's working okay. So let me know in the comment what you think about my current setup of studio.